Okay, boys and girls, welcome back to my video channel, Life of Chuck, and yeah, we gotta get cracking on things here. We don't have a lot of time to complete what I want to do before Van City meetup. So yeah, I installed this one. I'm not gonna have time to paint this back wall. However, I'm trying to think of ideas on how to detail things to my own taste. So yeah, let's see what ideas I come up with this video. Okay, so I wasn't totally happy with the white, so we tried something a little bit different. It was $1 a can. It's cast off paint mixed incorrectly, so I thought, you know what, for $1, why not? We're gonna try painting the trim piece. So that's what we did. Everything else will be white, but that little strip of trim will be a brownie. It's almost a red, but notice it matches these ugly original lights. Those actually are probably gonna be gone. So I might do other trim with that. I'm not too sure. It has wood trim here. Actually, I'm gonna leave that. Yeah, I don't know. We'll see. At this point, just small trim. I'm gonna do a little piece here and there. So that's what's happening. Anyways, that's kind of what it's looking like. I'm not 100% sure if I like it yet. We'll see when I unmask it and put my trim on. If I don't like it, I can buy some of that fake stick-on cheap wood grain, and that way it'll make it look kind of like wood. So we'll see. The wood grain actually might look a little better to make it give that wood feel. I'm not sure. And see all my clothes hanging up. I might paint this frame to match actually too. So we will see. Yeah, not 100% sold yet. Oh, one more thing. Notice my window? Where is all the screws holding it? Well, there's one screw there. There's 2 screws. There's 3 screws. There's 4, 5. 5 out of what, 30? Seems legit, right? I'm a professional. Don't try this at home, boys and girls. Anyways, yeah, I put this window in last October and put it in wrong and turned it around, put it in the right way, and then broke all the screws off. And because it was raining, I just taped it up and left it with those screws in it. And to be honest, it hasn't really leaked, so I left it. And it has to be finished off because it looks ugly. Let me show you how ugly it looks. See, I tried to seal it with tape and caulking, and both came out. That lasted for quite a few months until now. So before next weekend, when I go to Chrome's van meetup, we're gonna have to clean all that up, give this baby a good wash job. So got more things in store this week. A busy week indeed. So, oh, and maybe my entrance, I'm thinking of painting that with that brown paint too. See, it kind of matches, kind of, sort of. So, anyways, I've got a big mess in here too, and that will have to be cleaned up next Saturday. So, yeah. One step at a time. I gotta remind myself, it doesn't all come together at once. Anyways, cheers. We'll be back. Or maybe not. Oh no. I thought I got paint on my shirt because I'm getting dressed up to go meet the Korean girl for lunch. So, gotta go, boys. Cheers. Alright, good day, good morning, boys and girls. YouTube, how the heck are you guys doing out there? A fabulous morning for me. I had an awesome sleep. I probably slept for a good 9 hours, so now we're just waking up. And yeah, we're gonna do some finishing up here and make some dinner. Not breakfast because it's already like almost 1 o'clock. So I've been up for a good 3 hours now, so kind of tinkering and watching some videos.
So yeah, so what I'll do is clean all this crap up and prepare this for paint, wash it down.
I've got most of this all done now. I'm going to do one more coat on the bottom and let it dry, and then I'm going to silicone all of this silicone the edges. That is all down. I do like the brown. I'm probably going to keep it. I do have to paint a little bit back there, so we'll do that. And what else? I'm having coffee, obvious. This is the last batch of the crappy Starbucks coffee that I had pre-ground. I only got probably a couple more cups worth, and I'm gonna go to this stuff. So I got this from Vancouver Island. This is Karma Coffee Company, and yeah, I'm gonna tell you about that coffee after. That will be my day. It's Monday. On this coming Sunday is the van meetup, so I'd like to get this cleaned up, finished, painted, and looking reasonable so I can actually open my van doors up and show people for a change. So, let's get back to work. Okay folks, we're gonna have to rename this video My Messy Van, because look at this freaking pigsty. But I have good reason for that, because yeah, we took all the silicone off of the floor, the sealant that was hiding the crack, and we're prepared, wiped everything down, and we're getting ready to paint this section. For lack of wording, yeah, I'm a little tired, a little run down. I didn't get much sleep today, so the joys of working nights. Maybe I should do a video on night workers and what the feel is and what the pros and cons are. Anyways, yeah, let's get not sidetracked. So yeah, just gonna mask the floor off and paint that. I spilt paint on last week, so we're gonna have to clean that up. And how many days till Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday? We got 5 more days till the meetup, so I would like to paint that wall. Maybe this wall. I'm unsure about that one. So yeah, we got a lot of work. I got clothes hanging everywhere while I'm doing this, so because we did laundry the other day and I didn't put it away. So yeah, like I say, just feeling not 100% today. Feeling a little off, a little rough. Can you tell? Feeling like shit. But we gotta do what we gotta do, so let's get to it! And yeah, check this out. Look at that. They did a really half-assed job on that. All the drawers are like that. This side and this side. So they just painted with the doors. So I think I'm gonna take the doors off actually. So let's begin that process. So that pretty much completes our day and our video, and next time we'll come back, finish this stuff off and show you what we have, and head to Chrome Valdez's what's he call it, Van City Van Life meetup. And yeah, we'll say cheers until then, and remember guys, thanks for watching and stay awesome.